Boom! The Mercury Retrograde, $15,000. It's just one day after I made the video.
All right, let's move on here. Airline stocks joining the rally on Wall Street today. Check out the moves of the major carriers. JetBlue, American, United, Delta, Southwest, all soaring today. The optimism fueled by a tweet from President Trump calling for an immediate $25 billion stimulus package for the airline sector. Let's bring in Helene Becker, Senior Transportation Analyst at Cowen. She joins us on the Fast Lane line. Helene, always great to speak with you. According to my notes, that it would be nice. I mean, in what way? In that the airlines don't necessarily need it, that perhaps they should actually go forward and cut jobs because that is probably what they need to eventually do.
Yeah. So you take very good notes. So what I said in the past was I didn't think there was much appetite in Washington for a second stimulus plan, and I still am not convinced that there's a lot of appetite. I know everybody has said, they're supportive of it, but what are they going to say when labor comes to Washington and asks for help? And, poor airlines, Allegiant, Southwest, Delta, and Spirit did not take second loans. The money that was made available on September 30th, that goes through March of 2021. And so there's money that's on the table that can be reallocated to the airlines that need it. And it's cheap money, right? Because the government will loan the money to the airlines at a far lower cost than they're going to go out and, especially American, will go out and borrow in the marketplace. But to your point,
Ashok, good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hi, good afternoon, Ashok. My name is Johan. May I talk to Andy, please?
Okay, sir. Just wait a moment, please.
And what I said.
Hi, this is Andy. How can I help you today?
Oh, hi, Andy. It's Johan here. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Look, I have a problem with my trading today. I cannot find the target price. Anything you can recommend me with?
Yes, of course. So I strongly recommend you to learn from the art of Fibonacci trading to find the target price, sir.
Okay, I see. All right, can I order the DVD, please? Thank you.
Of course. I think we do have you already in our database. Can we use your credit card number?
Yes, you may, of course. Thank you.
Alright, then expect the DVD to arrive within 60 minutes, sir.
Alright, perfect. I can't wait to start learning.
Yes, anything else I may help you with today?
All good, Andy. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you, Mr. Johan. Thanks for calling us. The DVD is on its way. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We'll be in a pretty good spot. And there's a whole lot of things we don't have time to talk about. The whole lot of issues they have on weekends and holidays. We think we'll be at 1 million by year-end for the year-end holidays. Yeah, that's
Hey, Gema.
Hey, Johan, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Look, man, I got some trouble with finding the target price and so on. I need some help.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, that's not that hard. Where are you anyway?
I'm actually nearby your office. If that's okay with you, I can stop by for a minute if you're free.
Sounds good. You can come by. Anyway, have you learned from the art of Fibonacci DVD? Because I teach a lot about take profit technique there.
Yeah, so I called before I talked to Andy, and I already ordered the DVD, so I'm ready to receive that.
That's great, man. Okay, you can come by. I'm still here. Before I go home, I still make some video recording.
All right, great. I'm on my way.
Okay, see ya. See you soon.
Yeah.
Hey, Johan.
Hey.
What's up, guy?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. How's life?
Not so bad.
Okay,
not so
let's
bad.
take a seat. So what are you doing the whole day?
I've been trading mostly. I look after the wife and kids.
So how's the trading?
Yeah, look, I got a little bit of trouble today because I can't find the right position for the try to find
The target price?
target price. Yes.
What's wrong? In gold?
Today was the gold. Yes.
Yeah, I know. It's not that hard actually. And today, I have a plan to make my billionaire challenge trading plan.
Yeah.
So I think let's go through all of the trading plan, and I will give you some ideas how to set a target price.
Right.
Most of the time, I'm going to use the Fibonacci for that, right? Other than that, you can use the support resistance, but I assume you want a very clear target price for one-shot trading, something like that, isn't it? Okay, all right, let's jump to my office and we talk about the chart, all right?
Excellent.
Okay, so before we talk about the target price, I'm showing you the gold. It's really choppy today. I'm waiting for another buy, already buy, and I'm gonna add one more lot, so we have 3 lots, and I have a buy limit at 1889. Let's see, hopefully it's going up, but I'll show you how to set a target price on this, okay?
Sure.
All right, so come. Today I'm making a research for gold. Because next week it should be Mercury Retrograde, so I expect gold will be bull, so that will be like a hard buy for gold this time, right? Come over. I'll show you how to set a target price and what's my plan for tonight, because I'm gonna share this content as well to the YouTube for the billionaire challenge, of course. So far it's already good. I make like $76,000 or $74,000. So it is like 50% from the September. If this Mercury retrograde happened as expected, the gold will be bull like crazy, then we're gonna make a lot of money on this. Okay, all right. All right, so before we talk about the gold, let's see about the stimulus from Trump.
Yeah, that was a big news today.
You can see Trump assassination over there. It's so fucking funny. I don't know why people put that. So let's take a look for a while. Oh, there's a Trump assassination attempt. Or
Well, that was 4 years ago.
yeah, oh yeah, that's 4 years ago. It's so funny. Okay, let's see Trump's stimulus. I don't know why he keep changing. He said that he wants to give his stimulus and finally he just cancel it.
Yeah.
I think the COVID made him.
He wants to make other people look bad.
Yeah, so let's see what we got here. President Donald Trump reverse course and aid relief, pushes the fiscal package, stops stimulus talk because passing it will hurt this re-election campaign. You know why we always see this, the news? People say like price action, this kind of everything, I'm agree, but sometimes I don't like when my trade got screwed up by the sudden news like this, especially when Trump sent a Twitter, sent his tweet
coming back to this point, I don't understand the political calculus here. Unless this is a negotiating stance, why wouldn't the president want to spend trillions? He's never been concerned about the deficit. He said before that he's a debt guy. Why wouldn't he want to add more stimulus to take the possibility?
President refuses to put money in workers' pockets. Yeah, based on this, we can see that the U.S. stocks market will be really volatile, and especially gold. Okay, for some reason we have to aware that if we trade gold, that's really sensitive with the U.S. dollars, and also with all the news like this. So we don't really want to trade during the big news. If we have the position during the big news, then we will find the closest like support or resistance for our target price. Especially when Trump sent a tweet, it's unbelievable. Will make the market like really wild. See?
It's like you have to follow on Twitter Trump. Like
exactly. I don't like to go to Twitter and find the news. Just now, the economic news, the FOMC is not that wild comparing when Trump tweets something. The latest, all right, this is 20 hours ago. Let's see what President Trump's decision to end COVID-19 stimulus negotiation left many baffled.
Negotiating in bad faith before he shut down the talks, but very shortly after.
But we know that he just he sent a stimulus for the airlines, right?
25 billion.
25 billion. That's a lot. All right, so we know that our threat now is from Trump. I mean, his inconsistency for doing the stimulus, that will, of course, make the market more volatile and fall down. Okay, so we go to the gold chart. So this yellow box is the Mercury Retrograde cycle. As you know, I got my MFTA because of this research, and the Mercury Retrograde, you can also watch that in YouTube. Mercury Retrograde Astronacci. So a lot of content here. This is still in Bahasa. I got 25 grand from Mercury Retrograde, 7,000. What else? All right. Yeah, so much. And this is when I was in the IFTA conference 2018. How to get a $40 or 400 pips trading gold.
Yeah, I watched this one.
Yeah, you watched that, right? Okay, now we are welcoming the Mercury Retrograde, which is, I put it on the yellow box over here. If you see the trend itself, it's already made like a huge falling wedge, right? Let's put on the bar chart. We can see this one movement, secondary reaction, another movement here, accalcion. There's another accalcion movement. So we got how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, and should be down to the green area over here. That's a very strong support, and gold will end its downside movement and finally going up like this. So we already got reasons why gold will be up during the period of Mercury Retrograde, because we have the falling wedge, and at this period, if gold want to up, how to set a target price? That's number one, right? If you spot there is a falling wedge pattern in the daily chart, let's say, then you want to use this falling wedge as your target price. So let's put the horizontal line. There's a resistance over here. The price rejected. Another horizontal line over here. Okay, now the first target price will be based on the chart. So let's assume I put a horizontal to measure the falling wedge level, and I put it here just in case it breaks. So basically, you will see that the price will hit the first major resistance over there, isn't it? Right. So that's number one. You will use the support resistance for your target price. Okay. Okay. Now gold is 1895. We already bought in the 1891, I think.
91, I think.
Oh, that's beautiful, right? That's nice. Let's switch that to 30 minutes time frame, because we're using the daily. Boom! It's going up like crazy. right? This prior to Mercury retrograde, the gold already shows us the potential bullish trend. So this is my trading plan. For the next billionaire challenge trading, I'm gonna put a buy. There will be a lot of buy. As you can see on the screen, I already set a buy.
26.
Okay, let me show you my position now. So this is the latest position, $1,500, right? We buy 1891. I already distribute this to a club trading room. Boom. This is our trading plan.
Yeah.
So, that's amazing. Gold break base, average up. So now is 1897, dude.
It is.
You bought it?
I bought it.
Great. Okay, so $1,500. So let's back to the plan. All right. So I put back the chart to the daily. As you can see that the falling wedge will most likely bring this price to the target price of, it can be like 1950 minimums around here.
Yeah.
Because a lot of consolidation here, right? But if it's really catch the target price, so gold has an opportunity to back to 2000. And remember, this yellow area is the Mercury retrograde time frame. I expect 500 to 600 pips this time because the market will be more volatile. So let's take a look back to 30 minutes chart, looks what happened, and I'm gonna, wow, this is a beautiful candle.
It is. It's a nice push.
Nice push. The price is moving above the EMA. Just break the two resistances over here. Now, how to set a target price just in case you just bought the test position?
Yeah,
okay.
so show me.
So now, before we're using the Fibonacci, I'm using the strong resistance. Which one is the strong resistance?
Even talking about this one?
Or here? Now the strong resistance will be the area that the price reversed, rejected, and down significantly.
Okay, so the one up.
Right? Over there. So this area made a match with the gold, and gold tumbled significantly from 1919 to 1873. So it's definitely very, very strong resistance. So if gold wants to go up like this, that will be the major target price, because if you let gold reach this place, you may want to see another strong rejection.
Yeah.
Okay. The first target price that you can expect is the multiple rejection over here. This is the support that will become the resistance.
Correct.
If you can see the little wick over there and meet with this little wick.
Yeah.
So multiple rejection already happened over here. Then 1906 will be your first target price.
Correct.
Now, how to apply the Fibonacci? If you watch the DVD later, there are 3 ways to measure the target price of Fibonacci. I'm gonna use this external retracement. This is what we call the retracement, but there are 2 ways to plot retracement. Number 1, this is the internal retracement. I can put from this point all the way down, and I will see 0.618.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, so that will be around 1903.
Yeah.
I don't think this will be like waiting for another 24 hours. Maybe in the next 3 hours already hit 1903. It's very strong. So this external retracement from this peak to this trough, okay, you'll find the cluster 2.24 to 618. So this is the zone. The main Fibonacci will be 0.618. You can put it here, become a cluster with 2.618, okay? And I may require another confirmation, so I take another external retracement from here to here.
Yeah.
See? You move it, you move it a little bit like this, and you know that the external retracement 1.272 is around here.
Yeah.
So you got a level
Right there.
between the classic resistance and the harmonic resistance from the Fibonacci. So now gold is 1899, so it's only like 30 pips for this 1903. So far, let's see how much I make.
So is that what you call a break and retest? Break?
Yeah, that's break and retest, right? So we made about $1,900 as per now. That's amazing. You can see it too in the chart here. All right. Okay, so that's the first idea how to set up the objective target price. And always remember, if there are some multiple rejections around here, the fresh one, you're not looking to this area because this is already obsolete, right? We're looking for the latest one, but at least 2 or 3 cycles behind, you can still using it. Then it's okay. You can still use it. Then you will be aware of any potential short-term rejection on that. Is that clear?
Correct.
Great.
Awesome.
Yeah. So
makes more sense now.
Now you know that we will combine between the Fibonacci and the classic resistance and support. If you can make a cluster based on that 2 methods, then you will have like potential high probability potential target price for any position, no matter you buy or sell. And remember, for the next Billionaire Challenge trading, I'm gonna focus more to buy, and maybe I'm gonna put like hard buy. I got like $76,000 capital now. This could be 8 to 10 lots that I'm gonna trade, because this Mercury Retrograde will give you a lot of money. I believe you already watched this, right?
Yeah.
So the other strategy is in what condition I'm gonna buy. In this case is I want to make sure that in the hourly chart or the 30-minute chart, the price is moving above the EMA and keep moving the high up, keep making higher highs and higher lows, right? If that happens, then every correction, every secondary reaction, retest to the latest support, I'm gonna put a buy. Just waiting until there's a wick, there's a long wick, shadow, you can put a name like that. And if you have like a base here, this is a base.
Yeah, it is.
I will do like base break. Yeah. As long as I'm trading in this yellow box. Yellow box means the Mercury retrograde cycle around here, right? What do you think?
That's now that you explain it, it makes all sense, really.
Great.
It's nice to see a visual of it. Like the DVD is back home now, so I'm gonna have to watch it.
Great. Yeah, you can share that to your audience. You have Instagram as well, right?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
MRG Premier / Falcon Capital.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So you have your own account in MRG Premier and you have your own Instagram.
Business partner.
Oh, great. Lovely. Then you can teach your students, your clients.
I can.
Yeah, about this.
Yeah.
Great. All right then. So that's our plan. Hopefully, we're gonna make a lot of money next when Mercury.
Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. I think all your member, like
exactly. Now they trade, they buy. 7 days from now is actually that's the first day of Mercury retrograde. Okay, this is like the 7th of October, like 5 trading days before. Normally it's already bottoming and going up.
Yeah.
So we can take a chance for that.
Okay.
Okay, so see you in the next episode, Johan.
Awesome.
Thank you very much, and hope you can make money this time. All right. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the movie. Before we continue to the next episode, I want to give you an update, and this is our latest position. Boom! The Mercury Retrograde, $15,000. It's just 1 day after I made the video. That's beautiful. And if you can see, this is the journey of this position. Okay. Let's see, a lot of people so happy because they got this profit as well. The platinum membership, this is a yearly membership.
Everybody so excited over here. This is in Indonesia, Bahasa Indonesia. I want to show you. Yeah, this is our roadmap. Boom, everybody so excited on this. Let's see. Yeah, man, it's good. Thank you very much. Flying gold. See, this is the no chat. Let me show you my signal. Gold buy limit 1888, stop loss. It got break even, and there you go. 4 tradings to Mercury Retrograde, standby stop loss. First take profit 1903. Yeah. So basically we entered like first round and it got break even, and we did re-enter gold. Yeah. Buyback. This is buyback, right? 9 p.m. it's about 1400 UTC. There's a gap 1894. I'll show you the gap. And until today, guys, boom, this is the account. Right? Let me show you the gap. There's very little gap over here. $15,000. The Mercury Retrograde has just begun. So we're looking for another take profit 1916. Let's see. My target will be here. Stay tuned on the next episode. That will be more massive trading on the Mercury Retrograde. Okay, and the last one, everybody, this is another group, right? We got 3 groups because the line messengers can only provide 500 members. This is from last night, see, 12 a.m. Okay, and yeah, thank you very much. They're happy. Ooh. Thank you, everybody. Happy. Ooh. Gold up. And let me show you my other account. Yeah, this is my other account from 2,000 to $5 million. So this is what I got, 17,000. I got some losses on this account where I'm not that focused. I'm more focused to this account because this is the billionaire challenge. But anyway, hope you can see this $16,000, guys, and keep counting, and let's see what's gonna happen next. Yeah, all the way up. You can pointing this, you know, this will be the next target, 1911. So I will try to put this take profit during the Mercury Retrograde. I'm watching this position the whole night, and I will give you an update in the next episode with my new entry. But the roadmap is in this video. See you.